In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to point a domain to a website in GoDaddy. If you want your domain name to connect properly to your website, this process is usually done through your DNS settings inside GoDaddy. It's a simple task once you know where to look, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can make the update with confidence. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account where your domain is currently registered, since DNS settings are managed from there. Once you're logged in, look for your profile area. This is typically located in the upper part of the screen, and it gives you access to your account tools and product settings. From your profile, click on My Products. This section shows everything connected to your GoDaddy account, including domains, hosting, and other services. After that, find the domain you want to connect to your website and click on Domain. This will take you into the management area for that specific domain. Next, click on DNS. This is where your domain's records are stored, and these records control where your domain points. If your website provider gave you an IP address or specific record details, this is the place where you'll enter or update that information. Under DNS records, look for the existing record that needs to be changed. Then click Edit next to it. This is usually the record you'll adjust in order to point the domain to your website. When the edit window opens, you'll see fields that can be customized. Carefully update the details based on the information provided by your website host or platform. Be sure to enter everything exactly as required, because even a small typo can prevent the domain from connecting properly. Once you've finished entering the correct details, click Save. That will apply the change to your DNS settings. After saving, keep in mind that DNS updates may not happen instantly. In many cases, changes can take some time to fully spread across the internet, so if your site does not update right away, that's completely normal. Give it a little time and check back later. A helpful tip is to review the record one more time before saving, just to make sure the value, type, and any other visible settings match what you intended to enter. This can save time and avoid connection issues later. That's how to point your domain to a website in GoDaddy. Once the DNS change finishes updating, your domain should direct visitors to the correct website.